Hello, I'm Aurelia with GamedayMath. In this first installment of our How To Guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your GamedayMath account. This way you, the user, can get the most positive experience from our platform. Let's dive in. To set up your sportsbooks, go to My Account and then click on the Sportsbooks tab. Below, you will see a drop-down list that has all of the books that we have available on the site. Users with a Plus subscription can add up to 25 sportsbooks. Users in the Sharp tier can add up to 8 books. If you are in the free tier, then you may add only 5 books. For each sportsbook, you'll see a checkbox. If you have access to a sportsbook and want its plays to appear on your picks pages, and in the best line section of the odds dashboard, check the box. If you only want to view odds from that sportsbook on the odds dashboard, leave the box unchecked. The arrows to the left of each sportsbook will prioritize the sportsbook on your picks page and odds dashboard. You may set up your odds dashboard however you wish. We like to put some of the market-making books in the first positions, and then fill in the rest of our board with books that we have access to place orders at. You can adjust the size of your odds dashboard to your liking. Go to My Account, then select Preferences. At the top of the Preferences list, you'll find a scroll bar to adjust the display size. There are 6 options, ranging from smallest to largest. Choosing a smaller size allows more information to be shown on your screen. Most users will want access to as much data and information as possible. However, if there is a sport that you aren't interested in seeing on the picks page, then you can remove it. In the League section, if you remove a highlight from a league, then plays for that league will no longer appear. One of the great features in GamedayMath is our bet size suggestion calculator. This quick calculation takes out all of the guesswork from deciding how big of a bet to place. This suggestion is based on information from each specific user and their tolerance for risk. Setting an accurate bankroll is key for this metric to work. The user also has the ability to adjust the Kelly multiplier. A number close to 1 is more aggressive, while a number closer to 0 is more conservative. There are a few other minor adjustments that each user can make. The first is the ability to switch between American odds and decimal odds. Bet Tracker is the default sidebar mode. However, the user can also decide to switch this mode to something else if they find it more beneficial. Finally, the user can decide if they want to remove the rotation numbers or bet score from their odds dashboard to make more room for other information. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about GamedayMath.